Today's challenge is mixing nail polish into clear slime. So I saw this on Isabella's dress. It looks pretty cool. You paint onto your clear slime
And this is
with...
so cool, guys. It's actually slime.
It's actually slime already, so it's not actually glue.
It feels like Jello.
It feels like Jello.
Yeah.
So guys, let us know which of these is going to be your favorite color. You guys let us know. Are you team Big Sister, which is Naya, or team Little Sister, which is Ellie? Hashtag Big Sister, hashtag Little Sister. Leave your comments below on who you're rooting for. Also, before we get started, guys, have you subscribed to this channel? And you hit the notification bell?
You haven't seen a what?
And the merch? Okay, guys, listen. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and you hit the notification bell.
We're going to give you 3 seconds.
Wait, is this 3 seconds?
give you three.
We give you 3 seconds. So guys, before we get started, we can't keep making videos unless you subscribe and get the notification bell so that you can keep seeing our videos. Let us know if you are part of our squad. Let us know, are you hashtag Team Little Sister or hashtag Team Big Sister. Guys, ready?
You have to be in the 9 Ellie squad.
All right, so the way we're going to do this, they're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Then they're going to, whoever wins picks the first number, and then we get started. All right, here we go.
1, 2, scissors, shoot.
All right.
She always says rock, and I'm like,
So Naya, you are first. Let's mix these up.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci. Yeah. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci. I got number 20.
Number 20. Oh, wait, I mixed them up a little bit. Number 20. So take a look. She got this gel polish, which is like a purple, kind of like a light. It's kind of like a light purple. All right, so let's watch Naya go ahead and paint it.
Gucci gang. Oh, are you gonna paint Naya?
Guys, let us know if you like her design as well. They're gonna be making designs into their slime. You forgot how to spell your name. What?
She needs to like that polish.
It's not showing up purple and dark letters.
And I'm gonna like Team L. You should know like Team Naya.
All right, that's it for Team Naya. That's it.
Team
Okay.
Naya.
Tea Naya. So if you are tea, if you like to drink tea with Naya, there you go. Okay, so now it is time for Ellie. Pick your number.
11.
11. Let's see if we can find. Guys, see 11 back there? 11. You, my dear, have a. Hold on. You have a glow in the dark. All right, so Ellie is putting her design. There is Ellie.
I will put something way too big.
Round 2, starting with Naya. Let's hope her spelling and design improves.
Yeah, I did terrible. Number 9.
Here's number 9. Naya got a glow in the dark green. There
Look
it is.
at that.
Wait, you guys are.
Well, now you don't have enough time.
Okay, Team Naya. There you go. 16. I think it's down here. So here is 16.
Ooh, it's a pretty peach color. Pretty hard.
And you guys stay tuned for the final slime to see which slime reigns supreme.
Wait, so we mix it up and then the color change and everything. Well, that's actually good. Because my designing is thumbs up.
Number 18. What we're gonna do today?
18. Ooh la la.
Ooh la.
It's like the color of mommy's nails.
Yep, she got the color of almost my nails. It's like a red, cherry red.
But
It's close to mommy's.
Wait.
These dots. That's the start. These dots. I like these dots. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I want to go for the 4.
Number 4. And I think you have this
wait, I
little
just said get yellow.
yellow.
I just said get yellow.
And she got it. Ellie, I thought that was a banana. That would have been
It's a
cool.
sun.
Oh, Ellie.
Is this the what? The beautiful what? Yes. Ta-da!
Oh, wait. You got a number fall out.
Colors.
Number 10, I get this.
So, Naya already knew. She must have been waiting for this one. Naya has the black gel polish. Let's see,
That's okay.
obviously.
You know why? Because, look.
All right, here's your polish.
I have a smart idea because we can put with how much amount we want. No one even know this there's black. No, super good.
No.
It took the hours to get me.
If she gets 7, I'm
19.
Ooh!
19.
Wow.
I don't care about the colors now.
What is that?
It's a butterfly. No, that's what it is. It's beautiful. Now you did a great job. Thank you. Beautiful. No one.
And remember, guys, we're going to judge on the end and see whose slime color looks the best that you like. That's the way you guys are going to judge. You can also judge design.
It's not even showing up.
I'm not being mean, but this pink needs a lot of prayer.
Somebody's hoping for that glitter one.
6. That's
So Naya now has this. Oh, it matches your bow, Ellie. It's
Why?
orange.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, kind of. Yeah,
Yes.
it's a little brighter. All right. Naya got
Ellie's
pumpkin orange.
What?
Oh, are you going to make a Thanksgiving pumpkin?
I'm gonna try doing this, but I'm not sure.
What is that?
And the last, I don't know.
It's beautiful,
Is
Mommy.
that a star?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Naya made a star.
You know what it looks like? Oh, that's actually
It looks like a starfish, actually. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like under the sea.
It does look.
Under the sea.
15. Oh!
15. This is
Oh!
this is like a color Ursula will wear. Under the sea.
I need that. Under the sea.
It's like a iridescent
Under the
dark
sea.
green. It's like a green.
Oh, Ellie, you making a big butterfly?
Oh no, I'm not making a butterfly. You'll see.
Oh, okay. Is she making a lollipop?
Yeah.
So I've adjusted the camera so you guys could see a little bit better.
How's it nice showing more than that?
I needed this color.
All right, so here is number 12.
Isn't that seaweed?
Yeah, it's a seaweed Parisi.
I'll show you guys. I'll hold up the design
I'm gonna
once
do
she's
my
done.
nails with this.
She made these little squiggly
Mommy, you ruined
lines.
the design.
Ah! Ooh!
Mommy,
Sorry, the slime started coming out.
you ruined my design.
Here's Naya's. I messed it up right there, but you'll see the final color. 13. Ooh! Ellie got one of the glitters, and she is beyond happy. No, you can't pour it in. You have to paint it.
Because I missed it.
Ellie, what are you
They
doing?
were swimming in the she caught them. Mess it up, Mommy.
Yeah, I gotta mess hers up a little bit like I did Naya's. There you go. Sorry, I gotta fix it like I did
I'm
hers.
throwing this away.
All right, you can't really see Ellie's glitter. There's a tiny bit. It's a little bit clear. You can't really see it too much. There it is.
Mommy. 17 with the Dollar Tree.
17. You got white.
I'm gonna give it a little fishy. Yeah, I'm gonna make a little clam. Don't ask why. No, I'm making I'm making poles.
Trust you that for days and days.
I'm making little poles, and this is the little fishy.
14. Ellie got the other little.
I'm gonna fix
Cupcake.
the butterfly sun and everything.
Oh, mine's looking bad.
It is now Naya's turn, and it looks like we're getting close to the final round. Ooh! So, Naya got this chunky gel. You can't pour it out. You have to polish.
Okay. And now I'm gonna give a little dot there.
All right, are you done? Or are you gonna put some more?
I'm gonna put some more. I need
All right, you gotta go a little faster.
sand. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna put dots.
Ellie, what color you hoping for? You hoping for that bright pink?
That too.
Oh, I just said it! And look what little Miss got.
See, now I want to.
So guys, And guys, remember to keep it up. Let us know. Are you Team Little Sister or Team Big Sister in this challenge? And Team Little Sister is Ellie. Team Big Sister, of course, is Naya. Ellie, you have some blank spaces you might want to use up for a new design. It's looking.
I was hoping for black.
Okay, so guys, I don't think I need to show you that. Naya got another black. Let's see what color Ellie gets.
I got like the smallest one, black.
And then, well, guys, I'll show you the final design once it's all done.
1.
Number 1. So, Ellie, you are the winner of this beautiful purple polish. Guys, look. Oh, that's good. He's cute. Ellie's just putting a bunch of purple in there. All right, time for the last round now. Gonna pick yours. Ellie, pick yours. Which numbers did you ladies get?
I got 3.
Okay, so Naya got 8, which is one of her favorite colors in the world. And Ellie got this purple glitter. So they're gonna do a switch up. We're gonna see who gets to trade or keep their nail color. Let's go, ladies. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right. So, Naya, let us know. You want to keep your blue polish or do you want the purple glitter? You want to trade for the purple glitter?
Yeah, because
All right. So she gets purple glitter and Ellie, you get the blue. Now that we're done with putting our polishes, we're going to mix. The first person that's going to mix is going to be Naya. Start mixing your slime. You want to pour it onto the table?
Can I keep the starfish?
He's
That's
gone.
too late.
She killed him. All right, Ellie, you start doing yours. Let's do it quietly so people can hear the sound. All right, see if you guys can mix that color up more, mush it all up and get that color through there.
My hand.
It's cold. All right, Ellie, let's see it. The colors don't want to mix. It's like one big thing. Can you blob it in some more? It's
Yeah,
they're
I'm
just
trying to, like, mix
it's
up the colors.
It looks like confetti slime, right?
In the wall, it's like the colors won't even mix. I think they dried on the nail polish.
You got some yellow camera. You got
Yeah, all right. Yeah,
I think they dried on the nail polish.
So guys, look, there's like confetti slime. That's what happens when it dries on there.
But I'm gonna try to make the biggest bubble in the world. Ready?
All right, let's see if we can make a nail polish bubble. Oh, I almost did it.
That was, but I was just pulling it up, and then I was like, wait, there's a giant.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you check out our other channels and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for this. We will see you guys next time. Woo! Bubble! It was a double bubble!
Double bubble, toil and trouble.